Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikisha. Today we are going to be doing a wash day routine on this very dry, very matted hair of mine. I did an old twist out. This is an old twist out right here, but I had it in mini twist for like a week and then I took them out and then I had the twist out, and then after it got old I just been keeping it in this old ponytail. It's very dry, it's very crunchy, it has a lot of buildup. Has knots in it from me not properly covering it at nighttime and twisting it. So I'm going to show you how I get my hair back to life. We're going to start off with water, warm water, and I'm going to saturate my hair in the warm water just to get all that stuff broken up off of my hair and try to really saturate it. So I'm going to soak my hair really good in this water and try to finger detangle it just a little bit and get it all loose and wet. My hair is very dry right now. I have low porosity hair, and so it takes a little bit for the moisture to start getting in there in the water. Water is my friend. Hey friend. And so I decided to take it down and really soak my hair, because if I don't, some spots of my hair will be dry even though it looks like it's wet. So I wanted to really make sure it was wet and soaking wet so I can properly do the next step. So then I take my miracle worker. I'm using the Aussie 3-minute miracle. This stuff is my favorite. I love this stuff. It works so good. So I'm parting my hair in two sections, and I'm going to use the Aussie Moist to go through it and really detangle my hair before washing it, because like I said, it's matted, it's knotted, it's a mess, and me just going straight to washing would have been a headache. So yeah, we're gonna try to get some of that out of my hair before I wash it. So I'm just gonna put it through my hair and really saturate it and start detangling. It was a mess. I was trying to finger detangle a little bit, and yeah, we needed some more product. Don't be shy. It was only a few bucks at Walmart. This thing is very inexpensive, but it does such wonders. And this is the deep conditioner, by the way, if I didn't mention that. And so once I feel like I have a little bit more to do, I'm going to twist up the front part, and I am going to work on smaller sections, taking my wide tooth comb and really combing out my hair from root to tip. I mean from tip to root and getting it really detangled. Right here I'm showing you I have a knot in my hair, and I'm going to show you how to get it out. You just take it gently and take smaller pieces and separate it until you just have the knot left, and remove it that way. Don't pull too hard, gently tug and pull it out. So now I'm just showing you that my hair is all fully combed through on this side. Yeah girl, yeah, we comb through. And now I'm just going to put it into a ponytail and work on the next section. So now that I have both sections done, I'm just showing you that it's easy to comb through. I can comb through each side of my hair with no problem. And once I have been able to do that, now I'm going to rinse this out of my hair. And this is how much hair I lost so far. So now I'm rinsing out the deep conditioner and moving on so I can go ahead and shampoo. I wash my hair 2 times just to make sure it's really done. Oh my gosh, this was feeling so good, y'all. Now, after I have been washing my hair, I am now taking it into smaller sections after I put the conditioner in and just combing it out and making sure it's all detangled into smaller sections so it'll be easier for me to manage. Once I got out the shower, I did sit under the little dryer for about 30 minutes before I got from under it, and I decided to go ahead and sleep in it. So that's what you see here. I am sitting under it, and then I decided after the 30 minutes I will go ahead and just sleep in it because I needed the moisture and it was really dry. I needed the moisture and deep condition. This is the next day after me rinsing it out, and I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like. I just rinsed it out and put that on my head, and oh my gosh, my hair feels so freaking soft and moisturized and clean. And so now I'm just gonna put my leave-in conditioner and my oil in my hair, and then I'll proceed to styling. So yeah, this is what we're working with. I'm excited. The leave-in I'm using is the African Pride. I love this stuff. It's thick but light at the same time, but very moisturizing. And the oil, I'm just going to use some tea tree oil. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to be putting it in my hair, throughout my hair, combing it out, detangling, and then I am going to style it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. I thank you so much for finding my channel. Hope this was helpful. If you have any other video suggestions, please leave them below. And you guys have a blessed one. Alright guys, bye.